Hello everybody, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to be implementing the new message view, which is this view. So let's start coding, and first thing is this is where we left in the last video. So let's go to our new message and create a new group. Let's call it view, and then let's create a new view. Let's create a new file, a swiftui view. Let's call it new message view. Okay, perfect. And now let's go also to our inbox. Let's create a new group. Let's call it view model. And inside my view model, I'll create a new file. It will be a Swift file, and I will call it inbox view model. It will be class inbox view model of type observable object. Okay, and here we are going to implement the boolean that we are going to use or toggle to show this view. So it will be @published var show new message of type boolean, and it will be by default false. Okay, perfect. Now inside my inbox view, I will initialize my view model, so it will be private var view model equal inbox view model. Okay, perfect. And now where is our button? It's this one. So in the action, I will do view model, view model dot show new message dot toggle. That way the boolean will go from true to false. And here I will add dot full screen cover with is presented $view model dot show new message. And people who follow my okay, what is wrong with it? Okay, sorry, what did I call it? Okay, I apologize. Okay, add state object. Add state object private var view model. And follow my tutorial. No, I prefer it this way. I think it's a lot cleaner. Okay, and now we just say show, or not show, we call our new message view, which is perfect. If I now click on this button, my show new message view appears, which is perfect now in my new message view. So I will start by having a navigation stack, and inside my navigation stack, as you can see, I apologize, it's scrollable. So we got a scroll view. Inside my scroll view, of course, I got a Vstack with an alignment of dot leading and the spacing of 24. I will also give to this Vstack a padding of dot top and a padding of dot horizontal. Okay, and here I will make dot toolbar. Okay, and as always, the one I hate, I prefer it this way. Okay, and now about my toolbar. it's this one. We got one in the leading that is clearly an A stack and another that is also an A stack. So let's start with the one here that is leading. So it will be a toolbar item with a placement of top bar leading, and here we will have an A stack with spacing of 16, and here we got a button with an action and label. The action, let's keep it empty for now, and for label it will be image, system name arrow dot backward. Okay, perfect. And here we got, this is a Vstack, so we will make a Vstack that contains two texts. So it will be a Vstack, and inside we got the first text that says select contact with a font of dot subheadline and a font weight of dot semi-bold, and another one that is two contacts, and it has a font of caption 2. Okay, perfect. And the Vstack need to have an alignment of dot leading. Okay, perfect. And now for the button, I want the action to be like this one. I want when I click on it to dismiss the view. To do so, we will declare this one, add environment slash dot dismiss private var dismiss, and we will call dismiss here. Okay, perfect. I will finish with by giving my A stack a foreground style of dot white. If I go to my inbox view to check it, hopefully everything will be perfect. So when I click on it, like you see, perfect, very similar to the one we got here. Now we need to work on the other A stack, so it will be another toolbar item with the placement of top bar trailing, and here we got an A stack with more spacing than the other one, so it will be spacing of 24, and the first one will be image system name from SF symbol, so magnifying glass, and the second one will be image with system name of ellipsis, and we will give it a font of dot subheadline, a font weight of dot semi-bold, and the foreground style of dot white. If I go now to my inbox view, hopefully everything will be perfect. Click on it and you can see perfect, very similar to the one here. Now we will be working on this one, on the Vstack, and as you can see, this component is a reusable component that we will be using it 3 times. So let's implement it a first time, then let's make it reusable. So here we will start by creating an A stack. So it's an A stack with spacing of 16. Here we got image with system name of person dot to dot circle dot fill. Okay, perfect. You see it's bigger, so we need to make it resizable. and we need to give it a frame with width and height of 40, and we will give it also a foreground style of dot gray. Okay, perfect. We got after that this one, it's new group, so it is a text called new group, and it will have a font of dot subheadline and a font weight of dot semi-bold, and then we got a spacer so we can take it to the left. Okay, perfect, I think. Now, as you probably see, I don't want to re-implement the same code or copy and paste it. I want this component to be a reusable component. To do so, I will go to my Vstack and I will make extract subview. I will do refactor, rename. I will call it contact view. You are free to name it whatever name you want. Okay, and here you see this image name and this text. I don't want to give him the name here. I want to pass the name as an argument. To do so, it's easy. Private var image name of type string, and also private var title of type string, and of course my initializer. And for image name, I will make it image name, and for this one new group I will change it with title. Okay, perfect. Just I need now to add the missing argument, and here it will be person circle or dot to circle dot fill with a title of new group. We will copy and paste it 2 more times. The second one will be person.circle.fill and its new contact. The third one, it's new community, and for the image it's shared.weave.u.circle.fill. Okay, perfect. If I go to my inbox view and go to check it, it's perfect. It's very similar to the one we got here. Okay, now we got this one. We want to implement contact on WhatsApp. It's a text, so very simple. I will make a text. I will call it contact on WhatsApp. Okay, and it will have a foreground style of color dot dark gray. It will have a padding of dot vertical. I will give it a frame with max width of infinity and alignment of dot leading to bring it here, so it will be dot infinity and alignment of dot leading. That way it comes here. And for the padding of dot horizontal, I will delete it from here and do this modifier on the whole scroll view. Okay, perfect. Okay, it will also have a font weight of semi-bold and a font of dot footnote. Okay, perfect. I think that's the one. Okay, from there we got this one. It's clearly a Vstack, and we are going to use our circular profile image with a size, a small size here. So let's start coding it. So it will be an A stack. Inside my A stack, as you see, we got this circular profile image and we got this V stack. So we will call our circular profile image view. We will give it a size of dot small, and if you forgot, small is going to return 40. So in other words, we are telling it that we wanted to have 40 of width and 40 of height, and we will give it our mock user, so user.mock-user. Okay, perfect. And we will also have this Vstack, so we will have a Vstack, and inside my Vstack I got two texts. The first one is user.mock-user.fullname with a font weight of dot semi-bold and a font of dot subheadline. The second one is, hey there, I am using WhatsApp, so text, hi there, I am using WhatsApp, and the Vstack will have an alignment of dot leading, so everyone are here. We will also apply or add a spacer to bring it to the left. Perfect. Okay, for this text we'll have a font of dot footnote and foreground style of dot gray. Okay, perfect. The thing I forgot is, you see, it's not only one, it's probably, we should be getting it from the view model, but we don't have a view model yet, we don't have access to Firebase yet, so we will have a simple for each, so it will be for each 0 to 5, and we will take our A stack and place it here. Okay, perfect. And one little difference, you see that there is a spacing between one A stack to another. Here we don't have it, so we need to add dot on the to apply on the A stack dot padding dot bottom of 20. Okay, perfect. If I go to my inbox view to check it, I click on it and perfect, it's very similar. So to be honest, I'm satisfied with the result we have for now at least, and when you click on it you can dismiss it. So perfect. I think maybe one thing we need is this contact view. I don't like to keep it here, so in my new message I will create a new file, it will be a Swift file. I will call it contact view, and we will cut this part of the code and place it here, and we will import, of course, SwiftUI. Hopefully everything will be working the way it was. And of course we can still make the code a lot cleaner. We can make this its own view, but we will probably do it later. For now, I think I'm really pleased with the result. So in the next video we will probably start working on our chat view. So in the meantime, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.